as Delhiites are concerned, they have woken up to one of the most coldest mornings of this season that has been recorded. The temperature at 4 degrees. There has been a thick blanket of fog and smog mixed that has reduced visibility, while the air quality remains in the poor to the very poor category. And this cold wave is said to tighten its grip over northern parts of the country until mid-December. And the residents who are urged to take precautions as the night shelters remain open for those in need. So Pradeep is joining us right now. Pradeep, all right, so right from the very season that we were talking about air pollution, it is now the season's cold wave, because Delhiites have been waiting for a very long time. The month of November itself was one of the warmest months that, Delhiites or even people in northern India had seen. So now it is finally, the cold wave is here.
Yes, you're absolutely right, because the extreme weather conditions are being witnessed by the people. As you rightly said, November was the warmest month so far as the winter season is concerned. And December is going to be the coldest one, as today the temperature has plummeted to 4 degrees centigrade, and it was the coldest day so far as the December month is concerned. As you rightly said, because for the first time I too felt the winter chill when I came out of my home today morning. And we could see that blanket of smog and the fog that has engulfed the entire area, and visibility was very poor. And that's one of the reasons that the Meteorological Survey Department is also predicting that in the coming days the cold wave is going to engulf the entire North India. But what is really worrisome is that if it's going to be dry spell, then there will be many problems, because during dry spell normally people complain of so many health ailments. If it's going to be rainfall, there's going to be some kind of a respite. But so far as Meteorological Department says that cold wave is going to tighten its grip in the coming days. By middle of this month there is going to be cold wave, and the temperature is further going to plummet, because already we have seen that snowfall has started taking place in many of those far-flung areas and the mountainous region, and impact of that can be felt in Delhi and many other places too. That's one of the reasons that the administration has asked people who are just spending the night out, they should go for the winter shelters. They should
so the rain baseras or the winter shelters that are open there. However, when it comes to taking precautions, because this is also the season where many of them have been catching cold or other diseases as well. So keep yourself safe, keep yourself warm. Thank you very much, Pradeep, for joining in with